You're looking for an extension cord that is with a length of 10 feet or more. Check online for further details about the product. They come in green and black. You can charge your scooter, run a light, charge a battery, and more. Landscapes, LEDs. We're going to briefly talk about the extension cord and what you can use it for. The DEWENWILS is a 2-pack, 16 gauge, load neutral ground. Tri-plug, plugs into any outlet that is 3-prong, and 10 feet of cable. They make this in a number of lengths. Do check online. It is for camping, hiking, LED lights, anything that you need to power up. We're going to show a couple of things, and you'll decide if black or green is the color for you. As we open up the package, as it comes packed in plastic and wrapped with paper, your cord. It is a heavy-duty cord. It has a label on them, so you could take the labels off, and they are tie-wrapped up. They are SJTW, 16 gauge, 3 wires, -40 through over 100 plus degrees Fahrenheit. You could use these cords. 140 degrees to be exact. As we open up the length of the cord, they are 10 feet long. I have here is an outlet. It's turned on, plugged in, and I have a battery to charge. I simply take the plug in a 2-prong, and we are ready for charging, just like that. To the 3 prongs, simply put in and force in for secured close. Each one will need a little bit amount of pressure to get in, and they hold nice and tight. For outdoor use, a GFCI outlet, plug in, and you're able to use your cord anywhere you want. Plug in your lawn stuff, your garden stuff, automobile stuff, and more. We have here is a GFCI outlet we're plugging in, and for the barbecue, hooking up lights and so forth. You need to extend for a short period of time doing work, plug into a kitchen outlet, plug in a refrigerator, anything that has power for a temporary period of time. If you're looking to plug in a number of things and use your product and use it all over the place, this may be something that you're looking for to run a light, charge a battery, landscape stuff, and more. Enjoy your product. If you're looking for a 2-pack, check online for further details about the length of cables you are after. Thank you for viewing.